I'm Bob Ward in Boston, where a real legal crisis is taking root. More than 100 criminal cases now dismissed as public defenders refuse to take on new cases in a dispute over money. At Boston Municipal Court in a special hearing, Chief Justice Tracy-Lee Lyons dismisses more than 100 criminal cases. The action taken as public defenders' work stoppage in a dispute over wages takes a dramatic turn.
This case will be dismissed without prejudice.
This legal crisis began in May when court-appointed attorneys stopped taking on new cases, saying the state's $65 an hour rate is an unlivable wage. They say neighboring states pay their public defenders twice as much. An SJC justice ordered the release of any indigent defendant held longer than 7 days. And she ruled that all charges be dropped if any indigent defendant case is older than 45 days. At BMC, most of the charges dropped were for nonviolent crimes. However, several involved assaults on police officers, domestic violence assaults, and the use of dangerous weapons. In Fall River, Governor Healy called for lawmakers to act.
This is a matter of public safety, and so they've got to sort this out and resolve this.
Boston defense attorney Phil Tracy agrees that something has to change.
People are going to get hurt. Wives, robberies are going to take place. By guys who were already in jail, and now they're out.
In a statement, the Suffolk County DA's office said the case dismissals today, with many more expected in coming days and weeks, present a clear and continuing threat to public safety. We remain hopeful that a structural solution will be found to address the causal issues here and prevent any repeat. But right now, there is no deal on the table to raise the rate for public defenders. In Boston, I'm Bob Ward for your local station, Boston 25 News.